Mag-volunteer work ka na lang. Na.
Hindi naman maganda yung volunteer work. I'm doing volunteer work. But it's the lowest form of job. I think it's San Vincent de Paul. Oo nga. Yeah. Yeah. May mga there's a guy there, like when they want to buy something, you know, I'm there and they come to me and they, they're talking.
You know, my life here, it's good to come. But we have the bridge pa.
Bubahis ka rin pati ka.
Ha?
Bubahis ka masagla.
Sa Rose Hill.
Saan ka nag-volunteer work?
Sa Rose, Venice, dito sa may Victoria Avenue sa Castle Hill.
Kasi ako, black town ako eh, mga yun.
Doon ako sa maganda doon.
Binis dyan.